Shri Nara Lokesh Garu, Shri Bharat, our Honorable MP, and other wonderful dignitaries on the dais, but also in the audience. Educators, important individuals who every day of your lives you're guiding the future of India and the future of our youth. So let me begin with a namaskaram. It is so nice to see all of you, to see you together and to see that you've spent the day committed to the future of India through education. I want to congratulate the organizers for the conceptualization of this, but I'm actually not surprised because a state with the kind of dynamic leadership that you have, you recreated the city that I live in, Hyderabad, and you are now recreating Visakhapatnam and the new Andhra Pradesh. It's a matter of great pride. And if I can put this into medical parlance, the day I saw the outstanding announcement of the data center coming in and the underwire cable, I said the plan is to make Vizag the brain and the nervous system controlling India. So this is truly amazing, and it's a pleasure to be here amongst all of you. Definitely, mana Andhra gaddalu unnanduku chala santosham. I am Telangana and Andhra together. But every Apollo story actually begins with a small village in Andhra, which is Argonda, which was supposed to be where a small portion of the mountain, when Hanuman was carrying Sanjeevani, a small portion of that mountain fell there. Argonda is approximately an hour from Tirupati. And Chittur, which is right there, is Argonda is where our chairman was born. It is where we did our first rural showcase. It is where, when Bill Clinton visited India, Honorable Chandrababu Naidu Garu told us, showcase something special. I know you have great hospitals, what else can you talk about? And Clinton pressed the button connecting Argonda, a village of 700 people, with the country's first telemedicine to our advanced hospital. So it takes innovation, it takes thought process, but it takes leadership. And when all of them come together, we can do something truly amazing. So Chittur is really the location where our university, our medical university is. We have on that campus, besides the medical school, the nursing school, the pharmacy, the engineering, biomedical, but we have the Center for Precision Medicine in partnership with Leicester University, with the ideology that we will help create the future of healthcare through AI and data analytics, through the building of biomarkers, through innovation into the care pathways and the teams, and take those novel discoveries, patent, produce, and share with India and the world. So Andhra is the epicenter once again of something outstanding happening. I'm not here to give big speeches on education. All of you are the experts in that. Neither am I someone to talk about nation building. All of you are the experts in that. But I will say that we are very, very happy to see the advances and progress. And the only agenda that I would like to contribute from my side is that towards a Vikasit Bharat, you have spent the whole day talking about the important pillar of education. We need a Swasth Bharat for a Vikasit Bharat. So please also focus on healthcare. So people looking for collaborations, partnerships, enhancements, we are very, very open for discussion on how we can do more. We have digitalized most of our content, especially our nursing colleges where we have 16 colleges. The country needs more. I remember a beautiful statement which was made by Chandrababu Naidu Garu and reflected again by Nara Lokesh at the World Economic Forum. He said, I have sent 5,000 nurses to Germany, but I want to send 50,000. To do that, we need to train them. And this is a reflection of three important themes which I'm going to, just end with. Number one is Heal in India. India does world-class healthcare at 1/10 of global prices. Your new airport, sir, will allow us to bring patients into our Vizag hospital and not just Delhi, and we're very excited about it. Heal in India. The second is Heal by India. 17 million is the global workforce shortage. So while India is producing a large number of doctors and nurses now, and these need to be trained, we need a harmonization of global degrees, because the journey from India to the world is not easy for healthcare. In Y2K, engineers went everywhere. Indian engineers served the world. But during the pandemic, in COVID, doctors and nurses could not move with the same pace. We need to talk about globalization of degrees. The second thing is healthcare is not just doctors and nurses. There is an important chapter called NCHAP, which is the allied health professionals. Please focus on NCHAP, make that mainstream, and bring optometrists, audiologists, physiotherapists, pulmonary specialists. There's a range of paramedics. For every doctor, you need 10 allied professionals. So there's a very big allied professional field waiting to be looked at, and again, very happy to speak about, partner, and figure out. The last thing I'd like to say is that very few people know that Chittoor was one of the first PPPs where the district government hospital was attached to our medical college. And while there are hiccups or have been hiccups, it is unequivocally a large success, especially from the student perspective. So this is a model I would encourage further. While you commit to grow the hospital, when we took the hospital, it had a 300 OPD. Today we see 1,000 OPD. We added almost 400 beds. We're doing any surgery or any standard that we can do in one of our Apollos, we're doing in a Chittoor or a district hospital. So it's a very, very important nation building exercise to partner with the government hospitals and then grow them. I just want to end by saying it's an amazing time in the history of the world. And we can dream of a cure for cancer, we can dream of universal health access, we can dream of India being among the leading powers. And it's an amazing time to focus on Andhra Pradesh. And I want to congratulate all of you who are doing so and commit that Apollo is very much in our hearts Telugu. So we will continue to do what needs to be done, but we are in our aspirations national and global. So we will continue to grow across the world and look forward to exciting growth, exciting partnerships, and the progress of our people, so that advanced healthcare can reach everyone and prosperity and humanity go hand in hand. Thank you and namaste.